फैकल्टीज अलुमनाई अगर पूछिए, आपके पुराने स्टूडेंट जो निकले सर वो कहाँ है, क्या कर रहे हैं, हम लोग ये नहीं पूछते हैं। हम सीधा पूछते हैं सर प्लेसमेंट कितना है, वो आरओआई कितना है, मिडिल पैकेज कितना है, मीडियम पैकेज कितना है, हाईएस्ट पैकेज कितना है। अगर कम ऑन हाईएस्ट पैकेज अगर 1.25 CR भी है, आर यू गोइंग टू गेट इट? एंड व्हाई आई एम लुकिंग एट अ लोएस्ट पैकेज? डू आई डिवाइड माई सेल्फ दैट इस इतना ही मिलने वाला है, ये मैं इससे ज्यादा नहीं हूं? ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है ना। तो प्लीज इवैल्यूएट योरसेल्फ वेल। आज के एजेंडा में हम लोग वही करने वाले हैं। दैट इज हाउ द प्रोग्राम इज नोन एज शिक्षा सवाल।
When a candidate sits for an interview with an MBA college, they're asked generic questions and they give generic answers as well. What is one thing a candidate can say, or multiple things, that will set them apart from other candidates?
What do I make myself employable? All my industry, I can tell you, integrity, attitude, and adaptability. Do you have this? Can you prepare on this? I think you're there. Then you will not have this question in that, kya sawal, how can be I unique? So I think this is something you guys have to prepare yourself.
AI. Routine jobs are already being replaced by AI. AI we are talking about. So to beat that, you need to be extraordinarily creative, tech savvy. You need to update yourself. This is what companies want. And if you have it,
then you are ready to take risks. At the same time, problem solvers. Every now and then, if you keep on going and telling, sir, I found this problem, I identified this issue, that issue, the next question will be, fine, you found that issue. What is the solution? So keep in mind, be ready to take risks, be ready to solve the problem. This is what is expected.
As much as you can, start reading the newspapers, start reading the articles, journals, and make a habit. At least spend 1 hour each day, and that makes you a part. The moment you enter the campus, you already know half of it.
Right. Because doesn't mean you know the definitions and everything. Rather, आपका practical understanding होना चाहिए. Second, how you appear. Appear as in on papers also, and how you carry yourself.
so please be ready. In terms of technical skills, answering questions, GD and interview, please prepare well.
While working, most of the time these 1-year programs are executive programs. So if you are a person with already has a work ex, knows the industry, just wants to go for MBA for career enhancement, 1-year programs are better for you. But if you are a young graduate just coming out of UG, then my recommendation is a 2-year program.
1 or 2 year program. So that depends that what sort of experience you are having and what type of packages you are getting at that time. For example, if you are already sitting at a package of 10-15 lakhs and you are looking for in terms of the enhancement, education as well as package, then you go for a good college and go for an executive MBA. But if you are earning less than 5 lakhs a month, less than 5 lakhs a year, then go for a 2-year program because the starting salary of that campus is more than 10 and above. So actually executive programs created for them or those students who already having a good package and now they are looking something else. So that's just what is actually is all about.
I have many students, thousand students year after year. So please guide them that what is the future, what they have to look forward post this CAT, JAG after entrance. Some of them have not appearing in the CMAT as well and MAT, and some of them are thinking of next year as well. Maybe confused, right? So please.
Nothing less than that. At least 2 to 3 certification courses, minimum 3 months. So we have good 6 months in our hand, right? So 3 courses parallelly or 2 courses parallelly, minimum 3 months certification course. So that will only add on to your profile and you will be the only beneficiary of that, right? Am I wrong or right?